Hey, what's going on? Reborn, welcome.
Nick, there's stuff written on his collar that's fading out.
We don't know what it says.
Did you try?
Yes. So
440.
then we'll get this little pup. We got no poosh. Yeah.
Here comes Grandpa.
Yeah, we got no
Nobody
poosh.
knows. Then I went to Shell Station. Nobody knew. Then I went to the bar. And he said, I don't live around here, but I'll put a text message out to
Yeah.
everybody. And I said, contact Jeff. So I'm going to call Jeff.
We already did.
Oh, no, but Grandpa's got a new message for him. Yeah, we checked with Jeff to see if his renters brought a dog and got loose. There's something written on the dog's collar. It's pretty worn,
Look at that.
faint. I want to read it, but Blackie likes. You want Blackie or Rocky?
Blackie.
Blackie likes ham.
Ah!
He doesn't care for the biscuit, dog biscuit. And I tried a piece of rice, either rice or corn cereal. I didn't want that, but piece of ham. And he likes ham.
Sure, you're going to tell me he likes lobster.
You know, he's a different breed. Maybe he had allergies, so he eats meat. I don't know.
Maybe he looks like he never had meat before. Now he's going to have meat. Just don't
I
start.
would like to read your numbers on your collar.
Well, then take his collar off and read it.
Okay, but don't let him get out of here.
Where's he gonna go?
If you let him out of the house, then he's really lost. I mean, I called the vet for a phone number,
Yeah.
and they gave me a phone number. I know this is yours. I'm just trying to read it.
Come on, Blackie.
You know
You
what?
can go upstairs. Blackie doesn't mind going upstairs.
Looks like here's something on the back. 815.
Oh, come on. We can't read the number.
I know, I'm trying. Oh, is that you or me?
That's more.
I know it's yours. I'm trying to read the
Nope.
numbers on here. So call
He's
your mom
lost.
or daddy. 815440.
But do we even know if that's the right phone number?
356. I don't know.
Oh, can we please?
No.
Shut up, Nick.
Nick, this may be what we do today. Is just take care of a lost puppy.
I know.
Tomorrow's supposed to be, Sunday's supposed to be 60.
This is not what I want. I just want to kind of chill out with him.
You can chill out with him. You can have, I know he likes you. Are you talking? You're such a nice baby. You don't bark. You just talk a little.
Well, I love to talk.
It's a good boy.
Yeah, Blackie.
I know. Is it scary being lost?
I will be right back. He's fine. He's not.
He gotta pee. Just let him go where he wants to go, and maybe he'll lead you to his house.
Yeah. Come on. So right now, folks, I am holding this walking Blackie. Which I really hope he's not a abandoned dog. Hey, Blackie, no. Naughty. Whoa. Bye, Grandpa. See you later. See you in maybe heaven. Don't even know why I say that. I don't know. Hey, let's get off the hill. Okay. Oh. I really want this dog. Hey! Whoa, 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 whoa. What was it, Blackie? Hey, Blackie. Come on. Hey, I know. Are we not going here? We already attempted. I'm sorry, Blackie. Well, no, you're not. Come on. Yeah, I can whistle at him very, very well. No. We are not going to that fence. It's an electric fence. You want to get shot? You want to get shot? You want to be shocked by a bullet? Come on, don't get tasered. Because that fence is basically like a taser. Because I got a little shocked when I accidentally touched that fence. So apparently I think they did shockable. Yeah, my God, that fence. It's really bad for this dog. But he does like him. I didn't show that part in my video yet. Okay, do you need to take a piss? What do you need to take a doo-doo? Wait, a doo-doo? A doo-doo? How's that? I don't know how I don't do that. Hey! Don't take the house to be a traitor. Come on. Whoa! Blackie, this your home? Hopefully this is your home. Hopefully this is your home, bud. Hey! That resisted. Is this really your house? I don't think it is. I'm not taking a risk. I'm not doing a break-in. Say that and a no. So it's a that. You know, I'll be back in it. Yeah.
Okay, they're coming for you. They're coming. I'm glad we found who you belong to.
Come on, Joy.
Hi.
Come on, Joy. Talk about the grail. The grail, folks. Joey, come on. Joey, let's stay here. So right now, we just found his home. His name's Joey. His name is Joey. Hey, Grandma, can we go on a walk today?
Can you go for a walk?
Can me and you go on a walk?
If we do, it's going to be mighty small. Otherwise, we'll go Sunday.
Just go Sunday.
This is Friday.
Yeah, let's just go Sunday.
Okay, great.
Joey? No.
They're coming. Cedar Street's only a couple blocks away.
Hey, Joey. Joey. I know you want a chihuahua. Hey, what's up, Joey? Joey. No, I'm sorry, bud. I know you want your family. Okay. I am. Yeah. Zoe! Bed! Hey! Off! Hey, that... Yeah, we know. Yeah, so hello everyone. We just found the owner. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.